Welcome back to video 1 for Canva training. Let's explore the Canva interface. So when you sign in with your Canva account, whether it's free or pro, you will see the following dashboard. We are in the home page, and in home page you can see the search bar at the top. Here you can search for your designs. Means if you have created previous designs, you can search and see those designs. You can also search for templates provided by Canva, which you can further use to create your own designs. And you can also search for Canva AI items. So we are going to talk about it in another video. Let's go back to the designs. It gives you different icons to create different items directly, like presentation. If you click presentation, you will be creating a new presentation. Social media, video, print, document, whiteboard, sheet, website, email, and photo editor, stuff like that. You can also create something with your own custom size. You can also upload something of your own graphics or clip art to be used in your projects. And in more, we can see some popular and common layouts and sizes used by people and some other similar stuff. At the bottom of the home page, you can see your recent projects. These are my recent projects on which I worked recently. On the sidebar, the first button is create, and from here you get a lot of templates, popular templates, common layouts and sizes, office and business sizes, marketing and promotion stuff. And you can see the same icons here: create presentation, social media items, photo editor, video, print, and we are going to cover them in later videos. You are already aware of the home tab. Let's see what's in the projects. In the project area, you can see your recently worked projects. As you can see, I worked on 4 recent projects. You can see it here. You can see them by type, category. If you are the owner, you can see your own projects, and if someone has shared any projects working in a group projects, you can see those here as well. And you can see them by dates. You can also create some folders and you can arrange your stuff in those folders. Then we have templates on the sidebar, and here you can see all different sort of templates related to every possible item: presentation, social media, video. So if I click presentation, I will be going to some presentation templates or a blank presentation ready to be created. Then we have brand area, where you can bring your own colors, your logos and stuff like that. And then we have my favorite area here, which is Canva AI. You can create a lot of AI stuff, including pictures, designs, videos, and believe me, it's amazing. In more, we can see we have apps, grow, content planner, and design school. We can go to apps, and there are different type of apps or add-ons which helps you to create or enhance current functionalities of Canva into more advanced capabilities. So we are going to talk about these apps later in one video. Let's see Design School. If you want to learn Canva, you can go to Design School and you can see some beautiful videos here. It can also help you to learn Canva. Let's go back to the home screen by clicking home. You can see the trash bin icon here. If you have deleted any projects, you can see them in the trash and maybe you can recover them. And finally, if you want to log out, you can click on your name initials here and you can log out from here. There are some settings here as well: theme, help and resources, some more advanced tools, plans and pricing, and get the Canva apps. Let's explore themes. In themes, you have lighter theme or darker theme, or sync with your computer system theme. And we have settings here. So I would not like to go to my settings. It might explore some of my personal information, but it has your profile information and some other settings which might be useful and important. So, guys, this is a simple introduction to Canva interface. In coming videos, we are going to see how to use Canva to create simple design or using templates. So, I will be seeing you in the coming videos.